Hello YouTube, in this video I will show you how I connect LED strips. This works for SMD 5630, 5050 and 3528. So basically I have all these parts here from my past LED projects and I want to connect them but without soldering. So I got these connectors from eBay, 100 of them for $5 I guess, and these connectors as well that also got from eBay. These are basically the same but already come with two wires connected, which makes my life much easier when I want to connect it to the power supply. So I will show you how I connect this. Okay, so with these two parts I connect to this connector here. It's very easy to install it. And then here remind to connect the plus with the plus and the minus with the minus, otherwise it won't work, right? So if I put it like this, it won't work. It would be minus and the plus. So and then close it to assure that there is a good contact. And finally, okay, so we have this now, and finally I will connect this other connector. The same thing, the plus with the red and the minus with the black. Okay, like this. Close it to assure good contact. And now I will connect these wires directly to my power supply. Okay, so this is the LED strip already connected to the power supply there. And then the connector I showed you before. And that's it. It's working, like you can see. Thanks for watching.